friends, welcome back to my channel Psychology Point. Today I am going to start with the series of questions from the board papers. Firstly, I am going to include the first two chapters from class 12th Psychology, which will be included in the PA assessment, that is periodic assessment in various schools. So these questions along with their answers I would be discussing, which would be useful for you in any examination, and especially this upcoming PA examination which will be held after vacation, that is in the month of July in various schools. Okay, first of all, I would like to bring to your knowledge the type of questions which you will be getting in your paper. As per the CBSE Circular 51, you can go through the full circular on the CBSE site. I had taken out the main points for you, that what type of questions would be asked in your exam. See, 30% of your questions will be competency based, like we had last year. Multiple choice question, case based question, and source based integrated questions, or any other type of questions which are going to check your competency based. Then 20% would be objective type questions like true and false, the remembering part of it. Competency based are different and objective type questions would be different in this sense. In this you will be asked what you can remember, like this theory is given by whom, or the concept which you can remember. Then 50% of your questions would be short answers or long answers, that is 4 and 6 markers are asked basically in the previous examinations. Till now the set pattern of these questions is not available, but yes, these types of questions would be there in your syllabus, that is competency in your paper, competency based, that will include multiple choice, case based, source based, objective type, and short and long answer type. So now without wasting time, let us discuss the questions from the board papers of chapter 1 and chapter 2. Some questions I'll discuss today and some in my upcoming videos I'll discuss. This would be benefiting you as the student who would be preparing now for PA1 examinations. Okay. First question, let's not waste time on discussion. Let's discuss the first question. Emotional competence refers to self-monitoring of emotions. This is the answer. You can take the screenshot of it. All the answers are ticked in the black. I won't be discussing the questions in much detail. Only the questions I will be discussing with you in this video. If in any particular question, or if your doubt is, you are having any doubt in the concept, you can write in the comment box. It would be most welcomed, and I'll surely give the response of it. Now, dash is a way of reducing anxiety by distorting reality. Answer is defense mechanism. Dash and performance test help reduce the cultural bias usually associated with intelligence test. The answer is non-verbal test. Dash involves seeking information from a person on one-to-one basis, that is interview. Then in Jensen's model, level 2 represents, this is cognitive competence it is referring to. Then giftedness from teacher's point of view depends on the combination of what? High ability, high creativity, and high commitment. Some societies adopt child rearing practices that foster the skills of speed, minimal move, and mental manipulation, promoting a type of behavior called technological intelligence. Hippocrates proposed a typology of personality based on humor. Which of the following list presents Freud psychosexual stages in the order in which they occur? That is, as you all must be knowing, oral, anal, phallic, latency, and genital. Then Amit, this is a situational based question. See, Amit lacks motivation in life and has an overly complacent attitude. He remains relaxed and deals patiently with others. So, which type of personality does Amit have according to Friedman and Rosenman? You know, he is a psychologist who has given the type A, type B, type C, and D personality. Now, this Amit possesses which type of personality? Type B personality. He is relaxed, he is lacking motivation in his life. All these are the characteristics of the type B personality. Then Sanjana loves to have burgers every day. Being aware of its ill effect on her body, she promised herself that she would buy a book of her choice if she managed to restrain herself from eating burgers for a month. This is the example of self-reinforcement. Anjani just found a gold bracelet inside a movie theater. Now, which part of her personality would urge her to deposit it at the manager's office? Of the options given, it is superego. Then now let's take a next question, that is, cultures are characterized as collectivistic when self and group have harmonious coexistence. Next, the counselor told Simran that people are happiest and perform their best when their personal traits and characteristics match their occupation. To assess this, she has to go through a psychological test. Her counselor is most likely to use the DASH test. It is 16 PF test, that is 16 personality factor questionnaire, which was developed by Cattell, is available in many schools, and it is a best test for knowing one's personality. Okay, I hope now let's discuss few more questions. The video must be getting very long, so rest of the question I'll be posting in the next video. Now, collective unconsciousness consists of dash that are not individually acquired but are inherited. It is archetypes. Howard Gardner has proposed many types of intelligence except out of the option which is mentioned, creative. Okay, so now rest of the questions you would be finding in my upcoming videos. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you are finding it is helping you out. Thank you.